Okay, let's go with one nail stickers. Okay, and another there's also a brush and tweezers. This won't show that, but and then after we have our kits. Oh yeah, my dad was opening this, and we had this kit at the start, and it's my birthday. So I'm gonna comment happy birthday to now. But yeah, we also got these like. I don't know how to use them. They're pretty thick. Yeah, let's do it. Look, we got some beads. My sister's actually answers. So like, these are like some big beads. I think they actually haven't. Yeah, they have. But there's still one more.
I think there's a manual with it. There's a manual.
Yeah, there's a manual.
How to make your own. How to make your DIYs. How to make your beads or something.
Yeah, it's pretty not that hard.
Easy to remove on your shirt. You see?
Yeah, that's the easy to remove on your shirt. This is the actual manual. Never mind.
I think we just stickers.
Oh, stickers. Follow your
Alright, so
dreams.
you're done with that.
It's only follow your dreams.
Move to your next one.
Yeah, no, I know. I think it's just easy. It's so easy.
And why do you have?
This one I have here.
Why do you have Julian's potty in your video? Are you unboxing that too?
No. Okay.
That's a weird gift for 8 years.
No, we didn't get that baby toy. You know that, Daddy.
Oh, why did she get all these gifts?
She got them today.
There's a princess on it?
Yes, a princess on it. Time to take it off.
No, don't do that. You put it. No, shake it up. Ah ha ha.
Yes. And you got it.
I think when you
And after we go this way.
kind of read like, let's see the name on it. Pick it up. No, other side.
Right here.
Says
Jewel Keeper. Jewel Keeper.
Oh no, you broke it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so. She ever gonna stop spinning?
There's even a little mirror. That comes from.
Mirror? Where?
Here.
Up here?
Yeah, this is
yeah.
mirror. Okay. Yeah, you have a
That's
little
bold
mirror.
and you trash, you know?
We don't want Julian eating any of this. We have 4 of these. What are 4? No, there's 4. I believe there's 4. Can we open this one?
So, you done unboxing now?
And we have whatever this is.
You got all those things you have
We have
here.
with this, and then after we have this.
What?
I think I know what
I had to make that guy, I had to make the princess spin. Every time you open it up.
Yeah, we are supposed to have this. Don't know what this is for. I don't know what this is.
Okay. Oh, I think that's how you spin it. That is how you wind it from. You have to take it back. No. Take it back to the other side if you want it to spin. Sit down. Listen. To wind it. Oh no, I don't think it works for it. It's not the control. It doesn't work for it. So can you put your pants up properly?
Okay,
Don't break it. I think something else spins it. It spins it and maybe it has a battery up in
I
it.
think this was a touching.
You broke it already. It's not spinning. Are you good now?
Yeah, but we're gonna put all of this in here. Actually, no. Let's put this here.
And when you make your videos,
All of this.
you need to know how to interact with the camera, so you can. You
Yeah,
have
we're also
to.
gonna put it here, but like we also have. Remember, this one start.
You're not look. You need to look up at
We
the
got
camera.
this.
You have to
Yeah,
look
this
up
is
to.
it. And we're gonna
You
put
have to look up and talk to people.
we're gonna put all this nail glitter things in here. So then after we're just gonna get these nail polishes,
Yeah.
like lovely pink, pretty red, and
To look at it.
happy green
Look.
with crystal clear.
Hey.
Everybody.
I will talk
So
to the left.
okay, now let's put it. Yes and yes. My auntie got these for me today for my birthday. Put all like this.
What?
Just like that. And like put that
You have to in your video.
And then after we also have the nail stickers. Let's put them like this side maybe.
though.
So also
People here.
we got the tweezers. You know what these are for? I think these are for to like take like so like I think you're just supposed to like take ones like take low ones and but like let's put it back.
Nothing with the drawers.
We're just gonna put this back in. And then we got the brush. I think I know what this brush is for, I think.
I think that's what you put in.
Nail polish on.
Nail polish
Never mind,
on.
it actually has their own brush. We forgot to put the brush on it. Let's put like this. This. And this.
So you
And
good.
you could just
How do you make that thing spin again?
easy.
Oh, ha, ha. No.